Win in the Minnesota Supreme Court for patients in Minnesota's sex offender program.
A ruling that could potentially speed up the process for their release. Our Jonah Kaplan is digging deep into today's ruling. So, Jonah, I know there's a lot at stake here.
You know, Frank, this is a treatment program. It's not a prison, but the state arguing it maintains ultimate control of treatment decisions and the timelines, even if there was a directive to do something else. The ruling, though, changes that, and the ripple effects, they can actually reach our tax dollars. The case coming from two patients of Minnesota's sex offender program, a treatment facility for those considered sexually dangerous but not necessarily criminals. There are several stages of treatment, and these two particular men were approved for a move to the next part of their recovery. That move, though, delayed for 2 years, with the state arguing there wasn't the space or budget to accommodate them.
That the state is not entitled to willy-nilly ignore an order from a court telling it to move somebody to a less restrictive setting.
The two men sued, arguing the state violated due process, but the program countered an order to transfer doesn't include a timeline. The district court and appeals court agreed, but the Supreme Court on Wednesday ruling there is absolutely a right to expect an action within a reasonable amount of time.
We're talking about the power of the state to take away somebody's liberty and whether there is going to be some accountability when they, for months and years on end, ignore a very clear court order.
A spokesman for the Department of Human Services, which oversees the sex offender program, telling WCCO the safety and quality of care for patients is a top priority, and insufficient capacity, that's a real problem. The agency wants more than $21 million from the upcoming state budget to remodel and add dozens of beds. Attorneys warning there are many more patients waiting for transfers, too, that must be moved.
The state doesn't have to have these programs. 30 states in the United States do not have these preventive detention programs, but Minnesota has chosen to do it, and that choice has consequences. And one of the consequences is you've got to follow the law.
And this particular court battle, it's actually not over yet. The case now going back to the district court because now, okay, we have an established right to a reasonable amount of time, but exactly what constitutes reasonable amount of time? It needs more clarity. Frank and Amelia.
All right, makes sense, Jonah. Thank you.